The Final UX3000, a wireless headset from the Japanese audio company Final, emphasizes ease of use, comfort, and a stylish design. Featuring a traditional plastic build and a yoke-pivoting EARCUP design, the UX3000 offers practicality by allowing tilting and rotating of the ear cups. This design facilitates laying the ear cups flat on a surface or chest when worn around the neck. The EARCUP faceplate, textured with a crepe-like finish, serves a functional purpose by concealing fingerprints and dirt, although its aesthetic appeal might be subjective. The sides of the headband showcase white laser etchings featuring the Final logo branding. The headband, constructed from plastic with metal band reinforcement, employs a clicky ratchet mechanism for adjusting to different head sizes. Notably, the UX3000 headphones, while featuring a robust folding metal hinge and a generously padded headband covered in soft poo leather, do not exude a premium look and feel, resembling more budget-friendly options. Impressively, the passive noise isolation of the headphones minimizes sound leakage both in and out, significantly aiding the active noise cancellation for low bass sounds and lower mid-range frequencies. However, its efficacy diminishes in blocking higher frequencies like baby cries or voices. On the right EARCUP, tactile plastic buttons control various functions, including volume, calls, play, pause, voice assistant, and power. The power button, designed to deactivate Bluetooth, does not completely power off the headphones, posing a potential issue if ANC is forgotten to be disabled. Nevertheless, this design allows ANC to operate independently, conserving battery life. The left EARCUP houses the USB-C port and ANC button, providing convenient toggling of the ANC feature. Unfortunately, a transparency mode is not available, and while the built-in microphone offers excellent amplification and natural pickup, it lacks noise filtration during calls. The ear cups, padded with comfortable foam covered in poo leather, feature breathable mesh on the inner sides, enhancing comfort by reducing sweating and heat. The headphones, with a low clamping force and weighing 260 grams, prioritize user comfort. However, the inner hole dimensions may be a concern for those with larger ears. In terms of sound audio performance, the UX3000 exhibits pronounced volume with a 3.5mm wired connection compared to Bluetooth. The headphones showcase a bass-boosted profile with subdued treble, affecting the soundstage and compromising accuracy. Fortunately, users can adjust the sound signature using a third-party EQ app. The inclusion of aptX Low Latency, aptX LL, provides low latency, approximately 40 milliseconds, beneficial for gaming. However, compatibility relies on phone support, and newer phones may opt for aptX Adaptive with around 80 milliseconds latency, incompatible with aptX LL. The UX3000 offers multi-point connection for up to 2 devices, but manual selection is unavailable due to the absence of app support, limiting control to the last 2 paired devices. With an extended battery life, the UX3000 averages 22 hours with ANC on and 33 hours with ANC off, at 60% volume using the SBC codec. A full recharge takes 2.5 hours, lacking quick charge support. Included accessories comprise a branded drawstring soft-shell fabric pouch and unbranded cables, including a 1.2 meter 3.5mm audio cable and a short USB-C charging cable.